Okay, so here we are again. It's part two. We're back at the boat, looking at it, seeing what's been done with it. Yeah, motor. Thought I'd put a little twist with that, Yeah, that looks cool. I like that. Anyway, looking at the boat like that, yeah, it looks pretty good. Everything turned out. So anyway, I think in the last video we was talking about there was a drain right here, and well, now it's gone. I didn't think it was necessary to have a drain, right by, the light well or nothing. I didn't see, that should happen. So anyway, so last time we was on I believe that door over there was done, and that one was done. The center door wasn't done. This wasn't done. None of the carpet was laid in. So anyway, I went ahead and I put the drain at the back of the boat right here because I thought that's where it should be. Yeah. I love that picture, don't you? Isn't that beautiful? I mean, why put lettering on the side of it when you can have, pictures like that, I mean, that's what it's all about. Some mud on it. It's been sitting outside. I don't have no tarp yet, but I'll get one. But look, there's what's good about that carpet. You can kind of wipe it out of there. Anyway, this is where we're at. And this is a do-it-yourself project. DIY. Next time, we're going to get it on the water. It won't be for very long. We'll just get out there and cruise around and everything and get her on the water and let her go. Until next time, I'll see you then.